The opposition to audit the 2022 presidential polls outcome has been dealt a blow after the court put brakes on the process endorsed by Parliament. This is after the High Court blocked Parliament from appointing a panel to audit the August 2022 presidential election as proposed by the National Dialogue Committee in its report pending the determination of a petition filed by a human rights defender. With more details is NTV's Margaret Kimathi.
Justice Dora Chepkwony certified the case by Francis Muruthi Ndegwa as urgent and granted orders restraining the National Assembly and Senate from implementing Chapter 2 of the report, which calls for an audit of the presidential election. The judge directed Ndegwa to serve Parliament and Attorney General Justin Muturi with the court papers for the inter-parties hearing on April 16th. President William Ruto and the opposition leader Raila Odinga hammered a deal last year brokered by former Nigerian President Obasanjo following the countrywide protests that saw the demonstration halted and a dialogue committee formed. The committee, co-chaired by National Assembly Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah and former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka, was formed in August 2023 to resolve a political crisis occasioned by street demonstrations. NADCO concluded its report on November 25, 2023 and submitted it to the Parliament for consideration. Last month, when Parliament resumed its sitting after a long recess, the recommendations of the report were adopted by members and a joint committee of the Justice and Legal Affairs tasked to guide the legislation of the 9 bills. The opposition leader has, however, accused the government of lack of goodwill in the implementation of the report after 2 meetings of the Joint Committee aborted due to quorum hitches and failure to name members to the Audit Committee. Yes. In his petition, Francis Muruthi Ndegwa said the presentation of the report as it is poses a direct challenge to the rule of law as it seeks to conduct an election audit outside the constitutional framework. He added that the procedures will create uncertainty and negatively impact electoral preparations, reforms, and voter education. However, Azimio leader Raila Odinga has maintained that the auditing of the elections will cure future electoral malpractices and give closure. Margaret Kimathi, NTV.